I'm here and here and here every day. I'm here and here and here every day. I am spending. I spent some money for toys. I spent some money for toys for study.
All right, cool. Be quiet.
Okay.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. Welcome back to the garage, everyone. Today is
I want to say hi, children. Hi.
Welcome back to the garage, everyone. Today is Friday afternoon right now. Got a lot of stuff to do this weekend. I'm spinning everybody. Whoa. I have a pretty major garage project that I have to get done, and I'll explain why in a second. But I want to say, even though it's January in Indiana, I still daily pull up Yard Sale Treasure Map just to see if there's a hit somewhere. And since today's Friday, tomorrow we do have a hit, and it actually looks pretty good. I guess they're calling it an estate sale, but it looks like it's just run by the family or the owners or something. I love it when it's like that and not by an actual company. But it's pretty much the whole house, and it looks like a bunch of cool vintage stuff. The whole house, the whole garage. So I'm pretty excited about that because things have been pretty dry here lately, so I have pretty high hopes for it. The thing that really intrigues me is it's one day only, it's 3.5 hours long, and it's everything must go. So those combination of elements to me says it's probably going to be cheap. I hope it's cheap. I'm still going to try to be pretty discerning about what I pick up and not end up with a bunch of junk. That being said, a couple days later, I have a pretty exciting private pick planned. I'm not going to go too much into that right now because both of these are going to be their own separate videos, I'm sure. But the private pick in a few days should be pretty epic, and I'm really excited about it. So even if tomorrow doesn't really pan out that well, I'm 100% confident that the private pick will lead to a giant influx of inventory. So because of all that, I have to do a pretty major inventory liquidation and reorganization project out here in the garage. Like I said, this is only a 2-car garage, and right now it's pretty much packed with stuff. This is actually pretty decent stuff down here, but a lot of these shelves are filled with just a bunch of unlisted stuff that doesn't really fit my current business model. So I do have an idea about how I'm going to quickly liquidate a bunch of this stuff. This video is probably going to span a few days, so you can kind of see my progress, but yeah, it's going to be busy. So I at least wanted to get this video started and at least pull the froggyflips.com orders, because those are my favorite sales coming in right now, just because I think it's neat and I think it's fun. And the website actually did really well yesterday, so I want to at least pull those orders before I start on this other giant project. So it looks like total from the website yesterday we have 5 orders. A few of those orders had multiple products, so very successful in my opinion. The first order going out is this vintage hacky sack, and that's going out to Jessica. So thank you so much, Jessica. I hope you enjoy it. The next order going out from the Vintage Frog is this Japanese Panther lighter here, and that is going out to Pamela. Pamela left a nice message that says, "Love your show. I think you are an awesome and authentic guy. Hope Sarah is feeling better soon. Pam at Flipping Hot Finds." Thank you so much, Pam. I hope you enjoy the lighter. The next order going out from the store is actually 3 items. It's this little collection of vintage pinback buttons, this really cool Fall City Beer pistol sign, and then one of the first junk drawer lots I posted. A bunch of stuff in here like some vintage postcards, some baseball cards, some thermos stuff, some toy accessories, some keys, some action figures, just a nice array of stuff. These 3 things are going out to a viewer named Sam, who says, "Hey bud, saw these things on your recent video. Had to have the sign for my new eBay shed. Thanks for your positivity. Thanks to you, I started my own YouTube channel at Eclectic Sam. I've been selling on eBay for over 20 years. Thought I'd start teaching the new generation." Thank you so much, Sam. I'm going to check out your channel, and if anyone else would like to, I'll link it in the description below. Eclectic Sam. Thanks so much, buddy. The next order from the store are these 2 records. They were posted separately, but Brian bought both of them. We have Michael Jackson's Thriller and Van Halen's 1984. So thank you so much, Brian. I really hope you enjoy these. And the last order from froggyflips.com going out is this vintage Durango and Silverton Railroad hat. This is going out to Edwin. And Edwin says, "Like your YouTube channel, could I please get a sale tag frog? Thank you." Edwin, yes you can. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the hat. All right, so I'm going to get this stuff packaged up, and then I'm going to start this major overhaul, and I will check in. So hopefully the next time you see me in this video, you'll be seeing some progress. And I'll start sharing with you how I'm planning to liquidate this stuff pretty quickly. Right, Elliot?
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
I said yeah.
Okay. And bam! That was a lot of work, but I'm pretty happy with how things are turning out here. All the shelves are pretty much organized. A bunch of stale inventory is just out of here. Like, I have an aisleway that I can walk down now. Did a bunch of straightening over here. Cleaned up Sarah's area for some. Cleared off all these desks and all this space here. Everything over here. All these walkways. These desks are cleared off. Come back around here. And now I have like a cart that I can scoot down this aisle and pull my orders. And man, life is good. So I'm kind of working on a bin system. I still had a bunch of these mail totes laying around. They just never would pick them up, no matter how many times I left them out there. So that's what I'm using for now. I'll probably replace those eventually, but I kind of just had enough to start a little bin inventory system. So that's how we're looking now. There's still some more stuff to go through. Like this is all kind of unprocessed inventory right here. That's a lot of junk back there, so most of that might be going here soon too. And then Sarah's shelf. So I kind of did like this huge liquidation project where I just took a bunch of stuff that I was not interested in anymore, made piles of it, made boxes of it, posted it on Facebook Marketplace for cheap, and it was gone fast. Just like stuff that I never would have gotten around to, and I just wanted it out of here so I could just walk around and work without being stressed out by piles of stuff that I knew I would never get around to. So basically the money I lost doing that, I'll more than make up for in time and efficiency. So that's pretty cool. That being said, these bins here are pretty much electronics and things like that I kind of cherry picked out of it, things that I knew would sell quickly and that it was stupid to take a big loss on. Same with a bunch of that stuff over there. So I do still want to get through all this stuff, but it's nice having kind of a clean slate to start with. And now I feel like it's so clean that I can just kind of whip the camera around without being embarrassed or without showing things that just look disgusting and messy. And I'm pretty cool with that. A bunch of stuff under the desk in bins that are ready to list, so I can grab it easily, move it over here to my photo booth, and then go put it all up. And yeah, I think it's going to be pretty cool. All that being said, we did have one more Froggy Flips order come in, so I want to thank Dan for purchasing these 2 models from me. Dan left a nice little note that says, "Thanks, man. I hope this venture works out great for you. I enjoy shopping this way." Well, I appreciate that. I enjoy you shopping this way, so thank you so much, Dan. And Dan will be the lucky recipient of the very first Froggy Flip sticker because they did come in. These are the stickers I ordered the other day from uprinting.com. And man, they turned out really nice. And they came almost a week early, so that was pretty cool too. So thank you so much, Dan. I hope you enjoy the models. I think when I started this video, I told you about a couple picks that I had lined up. One was like a giant garage sale and one was a private pick. And I want you to know that both of those went off without a hitch and they were both pretty amazing. So those videos are coming this week. So stay tuned because I found some really cool stuff for a really good price and they were both a lot of fun. And the last thing I want to show you before I sign off, I've not really talked much about my photo booth since I set it up. And I want to say I am still really liking it. The only thing I don't like is this boom arm right here. It just doesn't really give me enough clearance or enough give either way. So what I did was I ordered this gooseneck arm. It's like 35 inches long. I ordered it off Amazon. It's super strong and it was longer than all the rest of them I found, so I paid up a little bit. It was like $22, I think. Screw that in there. So I think I'm going to try to take this and hang it off this shelf and see if that gives me any more room to play with when it comes to positioning this light. Looks like it's going to be a little bit higher than what it was, but I think if I turn it the other way, it's going to just be way too close, and that'll be annoying too. So let me screw the light onto it. Yeah, I think that's pretty good actually right there. The only thing I don't like that I can tell so far is it's got kind of a GoPro style joint on it, and it's kind of weak. So I probably have another tripod to GoPro adapter that I might try to see if I can tighten this up. Like this is tightened all the way and I can still move it. But I think if I have a GoPro in, that I could probably fix that. And I think that this will work out pretty well because I'll be able to move it either way or turn it and flip it. I'll run the cord up the arm a little bit. But yeah, still liking this picture setup. It's working out great. I'm a ring light believer. I'm a fake wooden background believer. And I just think it's pretty cool. Alright, so that's pretty much all I got for this video. Definitely tune in this week to check out all the cool stuff I picked up this weekend. But as always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.